For my research project, I decided to track year 13 use of AI because this was quite new to us last September. Over the year, I've learned a lot, pupils have learned a lot, and now that's why I'm bringing it into my lessons to teach them how to use it. So I first went into year 13 and I hadn't taught the group before, and on their first piece of work, nearly every single pupil in there had an 80% or above count for AI in the AI detector that I used. And that brought up for all of us a good learning experience of the dangers of AI, and you can use AI to help you, but not at the detriment of not doing the work yourself. We should be teaching them to question the answers they're getting from AI.
We've done a lot of work with AI and it's improved our work, made us know that not everything's going to be right, the information that it gives you. Yeah. But it is really good.
We don't want AI to become the critical thinker in that loop. We want the student to be the one that can take that information, process it and produce their own original content. So we use it predominantly as a bit of a guidance tool, as a bit of a starting point to give them ideas, and then they can move on and produce their own content. Although AI is a great friend, everything must be checked. So staff can't just use it, put something in as an input and then get an output and think that it's going to be, great. What we want is staff to use it as a friend. So if we use the Hub tool Copilot, it's not autopilot, it's used there to support you in your journey, your teaching journey and your pedagogy. We've done a lot of what we would say, not formal training, but we've done a lot of nudging through our school MS team. So we put information on there. If something comes on Hub training modules, we show the staff there any elements of good practice. And then obviously we link in with our DCF coordinator as well.
Mae'r staff wedi mynychu yn y ddau gwrs ar AI. Mae e'n rhywbeth newydd sydd yn esblygu drwy'r amser.
Dwi'n credu bod deallusrwydd artiffisial fel cael rhyw gynorthwydd personol sydd ar gael 4 awr ar hugain, a dyna'n union beth sydd angen ar athrawon ac arweinwyr ysgol, dwi'n meddwl. Ac mae'r tro cyntaf nes i ddefnyddio fe, o'n i'n methu credu canlyniadau o'n i'n gallu gael a'r cymorth o ran tasgau gweinyddol yn yr ysgol, o ran cynlluniau gwaith, o ran creu gwersi ar gyfer defnyddio ar lawr y dosbarth, ac hefyd hyd yn oed gydag asesu.
The teachers very much sort of grab this with both hands. It will never replace the teacher or the human element of teaching and learning and how important that is, but it can absolutely facilitate lessons that are engaging, exciting, and it's been sort of carefully planned across the schools so that we can manage what it looks like for us at Barry Island Primary to ensure that it's the best possible use of AI to engage our pupils, to raise standards ultimately.
Through the school improvement planning process, every member of the teaching team has a voice within. So from that, we conducted a planned array of activities to support staff development. So from demonstrating several AI tools, also really being explicit with the ethics of using AI, there is a relevant and appropriate curriculum which is designed to work with AI and also to teach children the ethics, making sure there's safe use of the internet. And actually, with AI in particular, is interrogating the output, making sure the output is relevant, even with a sense of bias. So it's not just like children and teachers accept the output as it is. You need to further interrogate it. It has to be in alignment with the Welsh curriculum, the progression steps. It's got to be purposeful for education.